And I'm Anna.
And we're the Fairy Twins.
Hey!
If you haven't seen already on our Instagram or TikTok or anything like that, we got a
puppy! He's the cutest thing in the whole entire world. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the big thumbs up button and turn your bell notifications. Ding ding! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to pick up our puppy. Oh my gosh!
So we're how many hours away? How far are we?
2 hours 55 minutes at the minute.
2 hours and 55 minutes away from our puppy. Oh no, we're too far. He's at such a distance right now. 2 hours 55, start the countdown. So the deal is, I've pulled the short straw and I'm sitting in the back. Anna's driving. Ash is passenger in the front seat.
Co-pilot.
Yeah. What is it? He called shotgun. He called shotgun. So he's in the front. I'm just listening to my headphones in the back. Single digits.
He's a big boy.
Home. What you got? Tickety, give it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at his paws, they're so chunky. I just like to rock in the morning. Penny, is that nice? That's so funny. Mum's putting meat in the oven. What is it? Pork? He wants the pig. He wants the pig. Benny, no piggy.
Oh, he loves his water fountain. I did him some carrots today with gravy. Ben, come here, baby. Hello. Hello.
Hi. He's so gorgeous.
He wants some food. Should we
He's
feed
so
him?
gorgeous.
We'll feed him
Yeah.
his dinner now.
Puppy.
Should we get the
Puppy food. Puppy food. This is the puppy food that we've got. Ready?
honey? He's already sitting. We've trained him to sit. Here you go, baby. That's your treat. Look, he doesn't even want it. He just wants the whole cup. Go on then. Oh, he loves his food. You love your food. Oh, your food's so nice. His water bowl needs filling up. I'm going to fill that now.
We bought this from Amazon and it's literally incredible. So it plugs into the wall, turn it on, just fill the water up in here. This pops off the top, the lid to it, and you're good to go.
Right,
Ben, it's so tasty. It's so tasty. He's so good as well. Even if you take the bowl away, he doesn't growl. You're so good. Mwah. Look at my socks. They've got pom-poms on. I absolutely love them. Slipper socks. And literally, when I do that, he sees the pom-poms and he chases after them and comes to bite them.
Oh my god, but you're so good.
But you're so gorgeous. But you're so gorgeous.
Oh, there's so many. You can't do that. You can't do that. You're 8 weeks and 2 days old, and we're gonna give him a shower for the first time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh. You're not gorgeous when you bite.
He is, I like it. Bite her, bite her.
Shall we? Should we show you? Come on then. He actually really loves water. Let's try it. Come on then. He's walked in himself. Good boy. He's playing with it. And then she wash it. Oh, good boy. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Oh, don't do that. Don't you shake
You're
everywhere.
gorgeous. He's trying to get the water.
Don't roll, don't roll.
there.
Good boy. Time the water.
Hey you. Ben. so interested in the water. Hello.
Oh, Ben, you're a lovely boy.
Benny. Benny boo.
Look at him. Oh my God.
Hello. Oh, Ben, you're the most beautiful baby in the world.
It's so good. You were clean. Oh, he's got the hiccups.
And that's how
Well
you bath.
done.
You were so good. You were so well behaved.
Drying himself in the car. He's not clean now.
Right, you go back in the shower.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you all wet? Are you all wet? Are you all... No! Good boy! We went and bought him a Kong toy. And wherever his squeaky is, we don't know. Where is it, Ben? You're gonna go find it? What did you do? What did you do? Yep, he just bit through that. Oh, oh, honey.
Oh, you've had that a long time, dear. Still got, you know.
She did, yeah.
The hiccups.
You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups, honey.
Nose is all healthy and wet.
And when he was 8 weeks and 1 day old. And he is literally the love of our life. Aren't you? Aren't you? How gorgeous is he?
eyes.
How gorgeous is he? He's so beautiful. Do you want to play with toys? Play with toys. Come on, you ready? He is dying to get in to the pork that's in the oven for din-dins. No. We can't do that. He usually loves the pom-poms as well, and he's not getting them. Usually I walk and he goes for them.
Ben!
He just wants the ball. Come on. Anna's literally on the floor doing all sorts of noises.
Trying to get him over and he's not coming.
Hilarious.
Come on, Ben.
So these bowls are really cute. So if you look, water and food, they're so cute. They literally just sit so elegantly. Don't they, Ben? Do you love it?
Oh,
and
no.
where did we get it from? His nose mark.
Oh.
Gross. Ben, come on. He wants that pork so bad. So bad.
And kisses. One more kiss. Puppy kisses. Okay.
This is our barricade here, so he can't get out of the door.
I love you.
So this little Kong puppy toy, so this is the puppies, and you put little treats inside it, and he still doesn't really know what to do with it yet, but you love it, don't you? Oh, is that nice? Look, watch it bounce. Oh, what is wrong with you? He's not like this. Like, he is the happiest puppy going and loves to play. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, eh? You want the pork? You want the pork that's in the kitchen? You've just had your dinner. You've just had your dinner. Oh. Okay, well, you know you're not allowed to bite. You know that, yeah? No biting. Yeah, lick, that's it. Showing you his toys. So this was a Kong one. This was like, Cara bought this, so it was like $6.50 on Amazon, I think, and obviously put the treats in it. So he loves that. And then Cara bought this one on Amazon as well. So this is like a little bone and it smells of chicken. He just loved this one, but not as much. This one is what I bought. I bought it on, did I buy this at Pets at Home? We had to go to Pets at Home just to get him some flea stuff, just because he was itching, just to be on the safe side. And obviously because he's over 8 weeks now, he's allowed to have the flea treatment. So we went and bought him some flea stuff, and he actually hasn't scratched since. So that's really good, and that's one thing that we don't have to worry about. But I bought him this in Pets at Home, and he loves this because he's teething at the minute, so this is amazing. And this, believe it or not, was £1, and he loves playing tug of war. So even though he's not bothered at the minute, I bet if I go get him a treat in a second, he'll love me. He will love me. This was just in the house on the night that we got him. So me and Laura, I think it was me and Laura, we got it for our 21st. So it says 21 on the foot, but he loved it. And I got these here in a set of 3, and I think they were like £4. That was from Pets at Home as well. Let me show you the other one. So one's a ball, one's like a tassel thing, and the other one's this one here. So he does like this because it rolls. Then look, what's this? Oh, I think he's realised that he's not going to get the, you're not going to get the pork. You're not going to get the pork, no? No? Oh. We love to play fight. Yeah, and then Dad buys in these bones here. Yeah, don't really like them sitting around the house considering we're vegetarians and stuff, but you know, he loves it, so it's fine. And then Ashley, he loves Blues football team, so he gave him his Blues football. Dad doesn't really like that, but you know, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'll show you what this is in a second. It's basically Ben's bed, but we haven't actually put it together yet. You get these, we got like screws that came with it, but we need like a screwdriver or something. He's getting so impatient. Come on then. Come on then, open the barricade. God, he's so close to getting them. Come on, Ben, come on. Do you want to go out? Bye. Bye. So as I said, I went to Pets at Home yesterday and I bought him these Wag biscuits. They're for puppies from 8 weeks old and he loves them. Come on then, I'll give you a few. Okay, so it says online that treats are meant to make up 10% of your dog's food. So he's only getting a couple of these, but he's been so good today and he's obviously starving, or maybe the food just smells that good that he's super hungry. So I'm gonna give him some biscuits. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, so he was not listening to the stay command. Let's try again. Okay, you're gonna sit. 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 Good boy. Okay. Stay. 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 Sit. 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 No, sit. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Go on then. Not too bad. Oh, I've got biscuit on my leg. What are you doing? Well done, that was good. One more. One more, then that's it for treats. Okay. Oh, that's a half. One that's not fair. It's not fair to give a dog a half a biscuit. Okay, sit. Stay. 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 Oh, where'd it go? Have some water. Nope, told you it was support. What's that? What's that, Ben? What's that? Hello. Come on, you can have it. You're gonna let the what? I'll let the men do it. They need to put it together. Literally, they haven't looked after the puppy all day, have they?